Max in the park, sniffing around a tree. What's this? Max notices a piece of paper sticking out from the roots. Max pulling out an old map, looking excited. A treasure map? I must find it. Max running towards the edge of the park with the map in his mouth. Max's adventure begins. Max entering the forest, with tall, mystical trees surrounding him. This forest is so big. Magical creatures peeking from behind trees, watching Max. Look, a dog. He looks lost. Max cautiously walking deeper into the forest. Max felt eyes watching him from every corner. Max encounters Bella, who is sitting on a tree branch, watching him. Hi there, I'm Max. Who are you and what do you want? Max explaining the map and showing it to Bella. I'm looking for this treasure. Want to join? I'll help, but only because I'm curious. Max and Bella walking together, starting their adventure. A new friendship begins. Max and Bella finding the hidden cave entrance covered in vines. This must be it. Let's be careful. Inside the cave, with ancient markings on the walls and a dim light. Look at these markings, they must mean something. Let's figure it out together. Max and Bella deciphering the clues from the markings. The clues lead them closer to the treasure. Max and Bella facing a large, ancient door with intricate designs. This must be the final test. We can do this together. Max and Bella solving the final puzzle, the door opening slowly. Their combined efforts unlock the door. Max and Bella discovering the treasure, a chest filled with golden items. We did it! The real treasure is our friendship. Max and Bella's adventure taught them the true value of friendship and courage.